Now we're disking to smooth all the ground out. You can see how it compares. So I'll just jump through the sedan real quick. From after being disked once, I'm not sure how well you can see it in the video, but right about here is where it splits. This has been disked and this hasn't. And the disc part definitely looks a lot smoother than when it was just chisel plowed. And then we're just dragging a drag behind the disc just to smooth everything else out as it goes through.
Disking.
Yep.
Just about 45 minutes later than the last clip. And a big old thunderstorm is overtaking us. Not pouring yet. Hopefully we can get back to the other end of the field before we're treading mud.
Dark. It's only 4:04. It's like we'd be playing at like 8 at night.
Yeah, now I gotta.
We're back disking in this field again after the rain is over. Last time I was filming was when it started raining, and that was last Thursday night, the 9th of August, and it is now Saturday afternoon, the 11th. He's disking in a load of manure that I hauled earlier this morning. He's probably going to have to redisc both this field right here and that next field up there. That was the oats that we were chopping. He wants to put alfalfa in that far field and put more oats in this field right here around the strip of sedan grass.
couple more rounds. Either one side is flowing heavier or I'm turning one direction all the time. When the outside wheel keeps making the bigger turn, this side's going to be seating more. It's probably what I'm doing. I've been going around one way.
Could be.
All right. Quite the lesson in doing things on the cheap. The old grain drill is probably 60 or 70 years old. Payments were finished on that, if there were any, probably 60 or 70 years ago. The old tractor is a 1951. I have no idea what the original purchase price was. I believe my uncle bought it new. My dad bought it many years ago for $200. And it's still plugging away for us. So I could sit here and say this is a smart way to do stuff. But the real truth may be that because I'm not very smart, I'm relegated to using this old equipment. But at any rate, it's still working, and I don't owe any money on it. No choice. There's no other way to do farming these days and stay in business. Unless, of course, you're smart, which I don't happen to be. Wisconsin certified. This certifies that Wisconsin agrees that these are oats.
time for rolling. I just came back from rolling that far field that we're going to plant into alfalfa, hopefully today. But I had these Cultimulture plow blade things down. So now I got to put these back up because we already planted this field and we don't want to dig up the seed in this field. So that's why I'm going to put these back up so we can just roll it flat and make it even. And I believe that's it with this field. The reason we planted fall oats instead of something like winter wheat or winter rye or triticale would be the reason because, as my dad puts it, we're land poor, so we need as much land as we can. So we're putting in oats to hopefully grow up, and we'll be ready to chop it this October yet. And then we can easily plant something again in the spring next year like we did with this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching!